My name is Emma Sperka. I'm an actor. I work in new works development as an actor. I have since I graduated college, and I'm also interested in continuing my education and getting an MFA. And the program does two things. It sets the stage to make me a more attractive candidate for MFA acting programs across the country. And I get to hone my skills as a professional actor while I'm doing that. I find that I leave my apartment in the morning and 14 hours later I come back and I have been in rehearsals and classes and readings and workshops and modules. The program provides so many opportunities to work with all different people, directors, playwrights, other actors, faculty. And then it also leaves space for self-directed student work. We like to say that every day in class in our low residency program is a week's worth of curriculum. And so we really jam-pack a lot of information into those classes. And the things I learned about script analysis, and I actually wrote a play, my first play ever. I really want to be an actor. It was exciting, and it gave me a real empathy for what it takes to put words down on a piece of paper and give them away to someone else. And I feel like I can only be a better advocate for a script now that I've actually made one. Winter Festival is when we take the Playwrights Lab experience from the summer, the work we made there, and we put it up in fully staged productions in January with Hollins University and Mill Mountain Theater. And as an actor, I was so grateful to be asked to come back and work and really get deeply into some of the plays that came out of the lab in the last few years. So we staged Cold by Ben Jolivet, and also She Made Space by Meredith Levy. And I was in those rehearsal processes at the same time, and one was She Made Space was my first one-woman show. Cold had a very different vibe and tone. The kind of deep work we were able to do for those shows was really a gift. The thing I love most about the Playwrights Lab is the relationships you build with the faculty, the staff, the other students. We're all collaborators in the room, and the advantage of coming back and doing Winter Festival is I got to strengthen my relationship with two of my favorite playwrights in the program, Ben Jolivet and Meredith Dayna Levy, and we have a working vocabulary and a relationship, and we're going to be collaborating together for years to come. This program is great for working professionals, for academics, for actors who are looking to move into an MFA program, for actors who have graduated from their undergrad programs and maybe feel like they want to focus on new works development, which is where the work is happening. If you want to be a working actor, you need to have the vocabulary and skill set that is particularly suited for new works development, and you can get it at the Playwrights Lab. And you can do it in this low residency way where you can be working, you can be anywhere based anywhere in the country and just come for this short amount of time and do this deep work.